Welcome to this presentation on using large language models and knowledge graphs to improve the interpretability of machine learning models in manufacturing. This research was conducted by Thomas Bayer et al. And published in 17th April 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into a critical challenge in machine learning interpretability, particularly within complex manufacturing environments. Despite rapid advancements, a significant theoretical gap persists. Traditional explainable artificial intelligence, or XAI, methods often fall short. They frequently rely on technical visualizations or complex mathematical concepts like Shapley values, which are opaque to non experts. Crucially, they often lack the integration of domain specific knowledge, which is indispensable for contextualizing results and enabling actionable insights in industrial settings. Our research hypothesizes that by synergistically combining knowledge graphs, or KGs, with large language models, LLMs, we can overcome these limitations, generating transparent, user friendly, and contextually rich explanations for ML outcomes. Our baseline assumptions are that while ML models offer significant predictive power, their inherent opaqueness hinders trust and adoption, and that domain knowledge is paramount for translating raw ML outputs into meaningful, actionable intelligence. Our methodology is grounded in the post hoc explainability paradigm, meaning we enhance interpretability after the machine learning model has been trained without altering its internal architecture. We achieve this through a novel graph-based retrieval augmented generation, or GraphRAG, approach. The core mathematical framework involves constructing a knowledge graph, which extends the ML schema ontology. This graph stores domain-specific knowledge, machine learning models, data sets, manufacturing tasks, and their corresponding explanations, including output from XAI techniques. The knowledge graph is then dynamically traversed by an LLM during inference. This traversal is a multi-turn conversational process guided by a branch and bound strategy, where the LLM selectively retrieves relevant subgraphs or triplets. This process unfolds in three distinct steps. First, the LLM identifies the most relevant node classes within the ontology based on the user query. Second, it pinpoints specific starting instances that best match the query context. Finally, an iterative ontology search expands through the graph, gathering information until a termination criterion is met, either by the LLM indicating sufficient information or by no new information being retrieved. This dynamic interaction ensures explanations are grounded in both the LLM's linguistic capabilities and the structured domain semantics of the knowledge graph. Our evaluation employed a dual approach, a user-based study, and a structured system-oriented assessment. In the user study, 20 AI professionals acting as either developers or workers rated 8 answers each on helpfulness, understandability, structure, and length appropriateness using a 5-point Likert scale. Quantitatively, helpfulness and understandability consistently received mid to high scores. Developer ratings exhibited higher means and reduced spread, indicating more homogeneous judgments, while worker ratings showed broader distributions and occasional outliers. Length appropriateness displayed the highest fluctuation across both groups. Kendall-Stowe correlation analysis confirmed strong internal consistency in ratings for both roles, with only isolated questions showing significant deviation, suggesting consistent scale interpretation. For the system-oriented evaluation, we subjected our prototype to 24 stress test questions across 7 categories, including ambiguity, contradictions, and prompt injection. Our error analysis revealed that ambiguous queries were often resolved through implicit assumptions, yielding technically correct but prematurely optimized responses. While contradictions were largely identified and corrected using ontology-grounded evidence, the system sometimes overestimates its own executability, providing guidance for actions it cannot perform. Complex cross-referencing was handled robustly when metadata was available. However, vulnerabilities to prompt injection attempts were observed, where adversarial instructions could partially succeed. Overall, the system demonstrated strong factual grounding for well-scoped queries, but exhibited typical RAG-related limitations in interaction discipline, scope enforcement, and adversarial resistance. The evaluation underscores that our approach generates explanations perceived as clear, well-structured, and useful across diverse user roles, maintaining stable mid to high-quality ratings. The observed differences between developer and worker assessments, with developers showing higher homogeneity, highlight the critical theoretical implication of role-dependent expectations. This challenges existing models by demonstrating that effective XAI must adapt to the user's technical background and domain familiarity, moving beyond a one-size-fits-all approach. Furthermore, user feedback indicated a preference for concise summaries upfront, followed by optional detailed elaborations, suggesting that current explanation models often over-prioritize detail, potentially hindering rapid comprehension. C. This points to a need for improved control over information density and response length. Despite these identified limitations, which largely align with known challenges in retrieval augmented generation systems, our approach demonstrated robust performance under targeted stress tests, maintaining reliable factual grounding and coherent cross-referencing. GCS challenge को millennium pardon by IDIS UNISCS different. IDS ESCS UNISCS UNISC different. GCS UNISCS UNIS 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 CS UNIS CS UNIS UNIS CS ESC has an ESCS because Wigman bias UNIS UNIS CIS UNIS 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 IS in high and this robust integration of symbolic knowledge graphs with sub-symbolic large language models represents a significant contribution to the future research frontier in explainable AI, offering a practical pathway toward more actionable and contextually rich post-hoc explainability, especially in complex industrial domains like manufacturing. In conclusion, our core contribution is the development and empirical validation of a novel method that significantly enhances the interpretability of machine learning models in manufacturing. By integrating knowledge graphs with large language models in a graph RAG workflow, we effectively store domain-specific knowledge alongside machine learning results and their explanations. This structured approach allows for the selective retrieval of relevant information, enabling the LLM to generate user-friendly, domain-grounded explanations. Our evaluation, encompassing both user perception and system robustness, confirms that the generated explanations are perceived as clear, well-structured, and useful, while also shedding light on typical RAG-related limitations in scope, enforcement, and interaction discipline. Looking ahead, we identify several high-level future research directions. First, there is a clear need for improved prompt design, explicit length constraints, and adaptive explanation strategies to better cater to diverse user roles and information density preferences. Second, strengthening alignment mechanisms and developing automated methods for knowledge graph construction and maintenance will be crucial for scalability and sustained accuracy. Finally, exploring the fine-tuning of smaller, open-source, large language models for effective knowledge graph querying presents a promising avenue to potentially replace proprietary components, fostering greater accessibility and control. 678